Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Brusly, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving to a new destination is always a very hectic process, and when your new house is in a faraway land, it adds up to time and effort. But all your worries are taken care of when you choose 3 Movers. Our team of pros make sure to make your shifting experience as smooth as possible. The biggest worry of any person while moving their belongings is the wear and tear, which could damage their belongings. But we ensure to pack your belongings in the best packing material, and also our professional team is extremely careful while moving your belongings. And even by any chance your stuff gets damaged by any chance, our insurance has got you covered. We do not charge you anything extra for the insurance. All your goods are automatically eligible for the claim when you choose us. You might think that moving to a local area is a hustle-free and does not require any professional help. You may be correct to some extent, but some of your belongings are not as easy to move as you might think they are. Stuff like televisions and other heavy but delicate goods require a lot of care and extremely delicate handling, and experts recommend to hire professionals to handle such goods. And if you choose 3 Movers, you also get the advantage of getting your belongings relocated within the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brusly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.